Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little not really craft with me, but assemble with me, because I'm trying to ease into this crafting because I think I forgot how to craft. It has been so long, but I wanted to play with one of the new dies that I got. It's this Sizzix, the new butterfly die, and I thought that I could run these pieces through with the butterfly to get like a frame style, and that's not how it works. So you have to layer all the pieces together. So I just cut out a bunch of just different little parts to the butterfly. See, I tried to run those pieces through together, and it ended up just cutting out like a hollow piece. I thought it was gonna like emboss it and do other stuff, so you have to run it through once to get the back piece, and then you would like layer up all your other pieces, you know. But I am going to layer them up with the mistake pieces that I made as well. Like so, pretty little butterfly, and then I want to try like Nuvo drops and stuff. But I need to make sure my glues aren't dried out. Like I have not, oh, there we go. I haven't crafted in months. Very sad. I feel like I've just fallen off the bandwagon. And every time I feel like I get the chance to craft, I'm just like, go to bed, girl. You're gonna be tired tomorrow. It's like I have an angel on one shoulder and a devil on the other. And so far the angel's been winning, saying, go to sleep, girl, get your sleep. So it does come with like two different body shapes. So this one has more of like spread out antenna, and this one's kind of just chilling antennas. Gold, I cut some gold out. And then I did have in mind, see, these are the pieces I thought if I cut them together, but they're not gonna look good like that. I'm gonna have to do something else. See, here's the gold. I could just probably add this to a different butterfly. So there's 4 different butterfly shapes that you get. This one, this one, this one, and then the little guy. So you get those 4 shapes. The rest of these are duplicates. Okay, so I guess I could do that after, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna add like dots, because I don't want to have to, this set, if you see on the back, it comes with so many like circles. I mean, those things are as tiny as like little fleas and stuff. So I'm not about to cut those out and fumble over my fat fingers like how to get it out and where to find them. So that's so cute. So I'm just gonna add my own little butterfly pattern with some Nuvo. And I'm using this Morning Dew Dries Clear, so you'll be able to just see the detail on the very bottom. Oh, these are oh no. Oh, now I have to put something there because this stupid you guys, sometimes you just have to. This butterfly done got stuck in the hood of somebody's truck on the freeway. Okay, I'm done. I'm not even gonna mess with that anymore. I'm over it. Sometimes you just have to give up. I'm not trying to salvage that one. Oh, over it. Mangled butterfly. So on to the next one. So this one's a bigger one, obviously easier to work with. Here's some of those little designs that I'll probably add. This is from the other butterfly, but you can definitely just mix and match with these dies. Okay, now if I can find another gold one. Over here. You guys, a monsoon is going to roll in. I can smell it, I can hear it. I live in Arizona now, if you guys did not know. So that's another thing. These stickles are probably half dried out. Up in the upper corner might look good. And you guys, I haven't even had time to watch crafty videos, you know, like usually I'm able to keep up with like people's hauls and, well, not everybody's, but you know, as much as I could, hauls and, you know, chit chat videos and project shares. And now it's like I don't even have time if I can even get on and glance at YouTube real quick, you know. So it is a little bit sad in that sense, but I am enjoying time with my newborn. Oh, that did not It doesn't look like how I wanted it to look. Okay, let's add a body to this guy. So one day I will get back into it. Once she's taking, you know, one nap a day, I feel like that's when my life will really get into the motion of scheduled. Okay, let's try this. Hey, don't fail me now, Stickles. I guess I should practice. Where's the ugly butterfly? Okay, so these come out nice. Oh, thank you for cooperating, Mr. Stickles. Go down the pink too. Funky with these butterflies. These are some fancy butterflies. Okay, at this one, I wish I would have cut some of them out opposite. But I was using my new Big Shot, the switch, the electric one, from scrapbook.com. I'm so glad that I snagged it when I did before I moved, because I was like, you know what? It's probably going to be sold out in the pink on scrapbook.com by the time I want it, yada yada. And sure enough, it has been sold out for who knows how long. They only keep restocking the white one. Obviously, color doesn't really matter, but it's kind of fun to, oh, you know what I should add? You know how some butterflies have like that, like a, I don't know, another set of wings? Not another set, but just that fancy layer, like it's their underwing coming out. It's kind of like a bird. So let's do that to this guy. I don't know, you know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna do that to this. And this fancy pink shimmer paper, I don't know if it's picking up on paper. Here it is right here. It is so pretty and shimmery. Oh yes, this looks good. These little things look like worms to me. I don't know how I'm gonna add this to my butterfly. Looks like a cocoon, doesn't it? To me it does. Funky butterflies. I'm just gonna add white. Ooh, the clearish color to the body. Okay, and then I'll do some pink guys. Oh, I'm getting pretty good at squirting that stuff out. Okay, let's do, I'll do some clear little circles. I feel like I need a an iPad out or something of what real butterflies look like, because these are getting funky. Okay, so then these guys are just extras of the backing pieces because I didn't cut that many out. This one just has like lots of like embossing detail, which you could like, you know, fill in with stuff. It would be cute if you did do that. Making hybrid butterfly birds, extra wings. See, is she pretty? There's some gold. Oh yes, I like that. Okay, I think I like the one without the frame the most. Like this. So as you can see, I am rusty. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna do an embellishment with like layering on it. This is hard. I have not crafted in months. Oh my gosh. So many months. Okay, so here's my funky butterflies. Here's my reject one that got stuck in the headlights. So yeah, definitely a fun die. I would probably cut more colors next time, like to be able to add to this, like some glitter and maybe vellum, stuff like that. So definitely a fun die, and you can get way creative when using your own Nouveau drops and stuff, or if you use all the little pieces that it came with, if you're not lazy. All right, you guys, I'll link the die down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Already lost the pin to this. All right, cake. Bye, guys.